Hitting. Be nice to your doggy. Yours. Tell him no. Don't hit. Just say no. Say no, no. No, dog. Cows go moo. Dogs. Dog? What does dog do? Besides lick your food.
There must be a more efficient way to halt a runaway car than skiing behind it.
There sure is. Keeping Doc Green out of the
Okay, you done with your nana? Nana? Antonio, you done with your nana? 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 You want your nana? That's apple. Apple?
That would be nice. As long as it's not too high in the air.
Nana?
Doesn't matter who does what.
Okay, now you're just playing.
Did you notice that Santa's the one out there risking the hook and ladder? But Kate took all the credit.
Bless you.
Well, I don't always get thanks for helping either. Neither does Danny. But I know we're appreciated.